Welcome to Auto Apex, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Jubilee, a motorcycle that promises to redefine the boundaries of performance, luxury, and design. This groundbreaking machine is generating significant buzz, and we are here to break it down in all its glory. The 2025 Jubilee is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. With its cutting-edge technology, bold design choices, and unmatched performance capabilities, the Jubilee is set to make a huge splash in the motorcycling world. In this video, we'll explore every angle of this extraordinary machine, from its design aesthetics to its technological innovations, engine performance, and beyond. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the design of the 2025 Jubilee. One of the first things that catch your eye is its futuristic appearance. The sleek curves and sharp lines of the bike immediately set it apart from its competitors. Designed with aerodynamics in mind, the Jubilee is not just built to look good, it's built to perform. The bodywork incorporates lightweight composite materials that reduce drag and enhance speed, without sacrificing structural integrity. The front of the Jubilee features a signature headlamp that blends seamlessly into the bike's angular frame. This light is not just for aesthetics, it's engineered for maximum visibility, using advanced LED technology to ensure that riders can see and be seen in any lighting conditions. The bike's tail section is equally impressive, with a minimalist design that complements the rest of the bodywork while also improving aerodynamics. It's clear that the design of the 2025 Jubilee was meticulously thought out with both form and function in mind. Now, let's move on to the heart of any motorcycle, the engine. The 2025 Jubilee is powered by a next-generation engine that pushes the limits of what a motorcycle can do. It features a hybrid powertrain that combines the raw power of a high-performance internal combustion engine with the efficiency of electric motor assistance. This hybrid engine is a game-changer, providing riders with the best of both worlds: a powerful acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. The internal combustion engine in the Jubilee is a 1,500cc V-twin, a configuration that delivers a throaty exhaust note and exhilarating power. Paired with this is an electric motor that provides instant torque, improving the bike's performance at low speeds and offering an extra boost when needed. Together, the two power sources give the 2025 Jubilee a total output of over 200 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful motorcycles on the market today. But the 2025 Jubilee isn't just about brute force, it's about precision and control. The bike comes equipped with a state-of-the-art electronic system that monitors and adjusts the engine's performance in real time, ensuring smooth power delivery in every situation. Whether you're cruising down the highway or carving through tight corners, the Jubilee's advanced engine management system ensures that you're always in full control. Next, let's talk about the riding experience. The 2025 Jubilee isn't just about performance, it's designed to offer the ultimate in rider comfort. The ergonomics of the bike have been fine-tuned to accommodate a wide range of riders, with an adjustable seat height and handlebars that allow you to tailor the riding position to your preference. The foot peg placement has also been optimized for both comfort and performance, ensuring that you have the ideal posture for long rides and spirited riding sessions alike. The suspension system on the Jubilee is another standout feature. The bike is equipped with a fully adjustable, electronically controlled suspension that adapts to the terrain in real time. Whether you're navigating smooth city streets or taking on rugged mountain roads, the Jubilee's suspension system ensures a smooth and controlled ride, no matter what. Speaking of control, the 2025 Jubilee comes with an array of advanced riding aids designed to enhance safety and performance. These include traction control, cornering ABS, adaptive cruise control, and a launch control system for those moments when you need to unleash all of the bike's power in a controlled manner. These features not only make the bike safer but also provide riders with the confidence they need to push their limits. In addition to these performance-enhancing features, the 2025 Jubilee is also equipped with a state-of-the-art digital dashboard. This high-resolution touchscreen display gives riders instant access to key information such as speed, fuel levels, tire pressure, and more. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, even when you're on the move. The system also integrates with your smartphone, allowing you to access music, navigation, and even answer calls, all while keeping your eyes on the road. But the 2025 Jubilee doesn't stop there. The bike is packed with luxury features that elevate the riding experience to new heights. The seat is made from premium materials that provide both comfort and durability, and the overall fit and finish of the bike are exceptional. Every detail, from the hand-stitched leather grips to the polished metal accents, exudes luxury and craftsmanship. One of the most innovative features of the 2025 Jubilee is its smart connectivity. The bike comes with an advanced onboard computer system that allows you to monitor various aspects of the bike's performance through an app on your smartphone. This system tracks everything from engine diagnostics to riding behavior, giving you valuable insights into your bike's condition and performance. It even offers personalized riding suggestions based on your riding habits, helping you optimize your riding experience. Another luxury aspect of the Jubilee is its attention to sustainability. As mentioned earlier, the hybrid engine offers both power and efficiency, making it an eco-conscious choice for those who want to enjoy high-performance riding without contributing to excessive emissions. Additionally, the materials used in the construction of the bike are sourced with sustainability in mind, ensuring that the 2025 Jubilee is not only a technological marvel but also an environmentally responsible choice. But what about the price? The 2025 Jubilee is undoubtedly a high-end motorcycle, and with all the advanced features and luxury materials, it comes with a premium price tag. However, considering the level of technology, performance, and luxury that it offers, the Jubilee is a worthy investment for those who demand the best. While exact pricing details may vary depending on the region and customization options, expect the Jubilee to sit comfortably in the upper echelons of the luxury motorcycle market. So, who is the 2025 Jubilee for? This bike is clearly aimed at enthusiasts who want a combination of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for your next thrill or someone who simply appreciates the finer things in life, the Jubilee offers an unparalleled experience. It's a bike that caters to both form and function, ensuring that you get the best of both worlds. To sum it up, the 2025 Jubilee is a masterpiece of modern engineering. From its futuristic design and hybrid powertrain to its advanced electronics and luxury features, it's clear that this motorcycle has been built to impress. Whether you're looking for unparalleled performance, unmatched comfort, or simply want to own one of the most advanced motorcycles on the market, the 2025 Jubilee is a bike that checks all the boxes. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the 2025 Jubilee. Be sure to stay tuned to Auto Apex for more reviews, news, and insights into the latest in the automotive world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with all our content. And if you have any questions about the Jubilee, or if there's anything else you'd like to see on the channel, drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. That's all for today, folks. Until next time, keep the throttle open and ride smooth.